And what I'm working on is the Big Boot assignment animation.
The Big Boot assignment and animation. What's the assignment?
The assignment is to make big, like a team, Big Boot.
Making characters for Team Big Boot and Team Johhny Boy. All right. And what's the animation gonna be about?
My name is Jaden Jones, and in my project, there are aliens in costumes for practicing for the game, for like the war. This guy right here is testing out the gadgets. He's practicing his drawing, and he's like the general controlling them all.
Oh, okay. So they're all preparing for the dodgeball game, Big Boot versus Johhny Boy.
Yes.
Alrighty, awesome. Thank you. Say your name.
Oh, my name is Tiana Boyce.
All right, Tiana. So tell me about what you're working on.
I'm working on a dodgeball team against Big Boo and Team Johhny Boy.
All right. So what do we have going on here?
They're in space and there's an ocean inside of space. And there's an asteroid just stopping and chain up because they're about to go against each other.
An asteroid going in between them because they're about to go against each
No,
other.
the asteroid is going to tell them when to go. So when it flies up, that means go. The one's right there. You gotta wait till it's time. When it's time to your turn, then your army comes up.
Alrighty, thank you.
Okay, so
What's your name?
my name is Chase Teddy,
All right.
and in my animation, I made Barney in a barn.
You have Barney in the barn, and this is going to be a part of Team Big Boot versus Team Johhny Boy.
Yes.
All right. So what's Barney in the barn going to be doing?
He's going to bring his barn to the stadium and look for people to eat.
He's going to look for people to do what?
To eat.
He's going to look for people to eat.
Yes.
Alrighty then. Alrighty. Thank you.
James and I'm going to be doing Johhny Boy and Big Boot.
All right.
I'm on team.
You're on Team Big Boot.
Yes.
All right. So tell me about what your scene is right here.
My scene is Johhny Boy and Big Boot. They're playing basketball and they're playing against each other on Mars.
They're playing against each other on Mars.
Yes.
All right. And this is going to be added into other scenes that we have together. And everybody's working on different animated scenes for the animation for Team Big Boot versus Team Johhny Boy.